Hello friends, welcome back to this channel. Today I will show you how you can make a cloth changing video in CapCut using mobile. Okay, let's start. First you select your video and go to cutout. Then select chroma key. Pick your cloth color. Okay. Now increase intensity around 1 or 2. Then increase shadow. Okay, exit from here. Go to canvas and select color. Now choose your color. Okay. Again select your video and go to cutout and select chroma key. Here you increase your shadow. Okay. Now I spilled here. Select clip and select color. I choose another color. Again spilled here. You can make easily cloth color changing video in CapCut for mobile. So friends, if this video helpful for you, please subscribe my channel. Please support me as a small content creator. Thanks for watching.